Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Drive to store receipts for Schedule C deductions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Google Drive in your web browser. If you don't have a Google account, create one by clicking on Create Account. Once logged in, find the New button on the left side of the screen. Click on New and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Name the folder Receipts to easily identify it later. Next, open the folder you just created. Now, prepare to upload your receipts. If your receipts are in physical form, use a scanner or a mobile app to create digital copies. Save these digital copies to your computer or mobile device. Back in your Google Drive, click on the New button again. This time select File Upload to upload individual receipts or Folder Upload for multiple receipts. Choose the files or folder you want to upload from your device. Click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete, which you can monitor in the bottom right corner. Once uploaded, you can organize your receipts by date or category for easier access. To share this folder with your tax preparer, right-click on the folder and select Share. Enter the email address of your tax preparer in the Set the appropriate permissions, either viewer or editor, based on their needs. Finally, send the invitation to share the folder. Make sure to regularly upload new receipts to keep your documentation up to date. Utilizing Google Drive ensures you have secure access to your receipts anywhere, anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.